I wanna show you how to make an animated circular countdown timer in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, you need to go to your toolbar and hold left click over the rectangle tool, select the ellipse. The next step is go to our preview screen and let's design our cycle. Go to the Essential Graphics, uncheck the fill and check off the stroke. And adjust the thickness of your line by changing the value. You can also set the duration of your animation by extending the graphic layer on your timeline, whatever you want. Next, go to the Effects and write Radial Wipe. Add your Radial Wipe effect to your graphic layer. Then move your timeline to the beginning of the clip, go to the Effects control and click on the stopwatch icon under the transition. Now move the timeline slider to the end of the layer and change the value of transition to 100. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.